So I had this really cool idea of how I was going to do this video. Not going to work out that way. It's okay. So I was going to get this outfit to look all cool and cute in it. But I just got off work and they're going to be here in like 20 minutes. So I don't have time. So just here for the booze is what we got. All right. So I look like a hot mess, but the final reveal is coming soon. You should probably follow me because if you don't, then you won't know what's going on. Just saying. I know you all have been wondering what I've been doing with this here rock pad that I built. Well, not all by myself, but a lot. So it's about to be unfolding here soon. Can't wait. So the property manager is going to have to get put up in the house. I don't think he's going to like it. He's going to be kind of mad. Turkey? Turkey, you going to be mad? Yeah. Look at your tail. The property manager and I are sitting here waiting patiently for them to get here. Come on, Turkey. Are you being patient? Okay, I lied. I looked ridiculous in that outfit. Much better. Just saying. I swear that looks way bigger than what I made a pad for. I think the building is bigger than the rock pad that I made. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. How is that? Leaving this building. Very nervous, very nervous. It's too muddy. However you need to do it. I already knew this incline was going to be bad because it was muddy. Oh yeah, it would have been terrible.
So I'm gonna bring the trailer over and help you push up.
Okay.
Once I get over the ledge, it'll be easier.
Okay.
So,
all right.
thankfully, the road's.
Yeah, there's no traffic that comes here unless you live on this road. Or you got nosy neighbors and they want to see what you're doing. That's the only reason they come down here. I'm sure they've come down here quite a few times to see what I'm doing. All right. We're getting into a little bit of a mud problem to get up over that lip. So he's going to use his truck and it's going to somehow push it up. So we'll see.